Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read yon or shi in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means 4. It has 5 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like shi. On its own, it is usually yon. A box with 2 small legs tucked inside, 4 corners enclosed. Now let's write it. 5 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Shigatsu means April. Yottsu means 4 things. And yonin means 4 people. A quick tip, so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Nishi, read nishi, west. Kai, read times. Notice the small differences. So that's yon, 4. 5 strokes, read yon or shi. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.